Hello fabulous people, this is Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom. And I'm so excited because I just want to share with you my new classroom setup. I have a standing desk and I'm going to show you that, which I can make it a standing desk and I can also make it a sit down desk. So as I'm teaching, I like to be, when I'm standing, I'm so more interactive and animated, and it was less than $100. There goes the dog. Do you hear the dog? That's the dog. It was less than $100, and I also got a 4-panel divider. So if I'm sitting down, you know, because sometimes my office is actually in our guest bedroom, so if we have company, I can always move the divider into my different location and still have that intimate setting, and still have a decorated classroom. So this is my backdrop, one of my backdrops to my standing. Something simple is just in the corner, my dry erase board, my name, my initials, and I have a little chart as well. So I'm going to show you the standing desk. If you're interested, you can click on the link below about the desk as well as the panel that I'm going to show you as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And if this is your first time, I forgot to welcome you. Oh my goodness, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back to paradise. So I'm going to show you those wonderful my standing desks, which is less than $100, and my 4 panels, which was also less than $100, and easy setup, even just with the whole things of what I just got from the dollar store just to put around it so it could just look really cute. So I'm going to show you all that as well. Okay, hold on, stay tuned. Okay, so here is my standing desk. You see my little laptop or my headphones in some places, but you can see my standing desk. It was really easy to put together as well. And so this is one of my backdrops, simply silver, my dry erase board. All of these could be removed, put my letters, and then my alphabet chart that has colors that I can store some of my spaces. And then you can see my panel. I'm going to show you that one. So I'm going to show you the 4-panel setup that I have. So this is the standing desk, laptop not included. Okay, so here is my panel, my 4 panels, and you see I just have little decorations on it, my bling triangles, and then all of this, as you see, and it's really big. It's lightweight, very lightweight, so it's not helping me to move around if I need to. See, Teacher Melanie, Teacher Mom. So when I sit down, here's my other little part. So you see it's 4 panels. 4 panels. And there's my standing desk with this one. So these are great options, and then they're all less than $100. There you go, Teacher Melanie, my sign. Okay, so this is me. I'm sitting on my desk. You can see the 4 panels, which I said they're lightweight. It's less than $100, and this is a great way if you can't figure out where a spot you can have your office and where to decorate, and maybe not want to put on your walls or what have you, and it's still portable. This is a great option. These 4 panels, and it comes in different colors too. So the one I have is actually black and white, but I think there's red, there's other colors too as well, and you can decorate the panels easily. And you can see, I'm trying to show you my name. There you go, you can see that. But when I'm sitting in the classroom, the kids can still see it, and all I have is my dry erase board for the rewards. It's really, really simple setup, easy to use, portable, lightweight, and it will do the job. Alright, so thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Make it a great day. Bye!